Samsung Galaxy M41, with almost 7,000 mAh battery. Hey guys, so, just a few weeks ago, a report came out claiming that Samsung has dropped all plans of releasing the Galaxy M41, and M51 is supposed to take its place. However, this info seems to be in discrepancy to the 3C certification that the phone cleared on June 28. The listings reveal that the phone will carry a humongous 6,800 mAh battery, the largest cell that has ever been seen on a Galaxy smartphone. Since the M range is an entry-level series, chances are that it will only support charging speeds of 15 watts, which means it would take a long time to replenish a drained battery. That might not be a bad thing, as a lot of consumers actually prefer larger batteries over fast charging speeds, because a higher capacity means the device will last longer on a single charge. Samsung is seemingly so keen on cutting costs that it's procuring the device's OLED panel from China Star OLED, and not using its own screen, something which would be a first for Galaxy phones. The handsets will likely be powered by the Snapdragon 730 SoC, and offer 8GB of RAM, and 128GB internal storage. It will probably feature a 6.5-inch pinhole display, with an fingerprint scanner on the back of the device, and a headphone jack on the top. Also expected is a Galaxy S20-like rectangular camera bump, which will have a triple camera setup, with a 64 megapixels main shooter and an LED flash unit. The Galaxy M41 will supposedly be in the neighborhood of $250 or 19,000 rupees, and will make a debut in September. So that's it for this video. Let me know what do you think about the Galaxy M41. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video.